Wow, look at all these amazing things in the kitchen. It's like a treasure chest full of delicious surprises. Let's explore together. Here we have some fruits. Did you know fruits are like nature's candy? They're sweet, juicy, and full of vitamins that help us stay healthy and strong. This apple, for example, is crunchy and great for your teeth. And these bananas, yum, give you lots of energy to play. What's your favorite fruit? Now, let's check out these veggies. They come in all shapes and colors. Broccoli looks like a little tree, doesn't it? And carrots are not just crunchy. They're also good for your eyes. Can you think of a fun way to eat your veggies? Maybe with a yummy dip? Look here, this is the pantry. It's where we keep grains like rice, pasta, and oatmeal. Grains give us energy to run, jump, and dance. Did you know that whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread are even better for you? They keep you feeling full and ready for your next adventure. And here's the fridge. It's where we keep things like milk, cheese, and yogurt. These are dairy foods that make our bones and teeth strong. Do you like yogurt? You can add fruits to it to make a super yummy snack. The kitchen is an amazing place to explore and learn about healthy foods. Every time you eat something healthy, you're giving your body the tools it needs to grow, play, and be your best. Remember, healthy food is happy food. Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy food adventures. And if you like the music, make sure you follow and stream music by Digby on all streaming platforms. Thanks.